Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kathleen and this is my Alabama farm life. And thank you so much for being here. Today has been our first warm day that we've had in a while. It actually got up to 54 degrees. So I've been outside working a little bit and trying to figure out how much damage I've had to my winter raised garden beds. So let's go take a look. I have covered up all my raised beds, hoping that some of the plants underneath will survive. We had over a week of freezing temperatures, and one night it went down to 9 degrees. And for 2 days, we actually lost water because my pipes froze up. So I'm not really hopeful that a whole lot survived. And as you can see, I still have ice on the plastic. The high today is supposed to be 54. And it's about 1 o'clock, and as you can see, there's still a lot of ice here that hasn't melted. The funny thing, and of course the thing that made me feel hopeful that stuff survived, was the fact that my son was in here the other night harvesting a bok choy. We had ramen the other night, and we love having that bok choy in that soup. So again, I was hopeful, but not very. I also have a few plants in these buckets. In this green bucket, I planted some broccoli seeds, and as you can see, they survived. I don't know how. I have more broccoli in these other buckets, and these first 2 buckets, those are fig trees, but they've gone dormant, and I won't know if they survived until spring. But yeah, a lot of these did really well, so I am surprised. Now, here in my froggy raised bed, I have some crisp head lettuce, some arugula, and the mizuna. I put some more mizuna in here also. I also have the purple cabbage, and I planted some green cabbage right along here, and I still see some sprouts, so they're doing pretty good. I have my one lone bok choy, and I will definitely be planting more of that. Now in this bed, this is where I originally put my poor failed cabbage plants. And then I went ahead and put onions in here, and then on that covered side are my carrot seeds. And when I go ahead and pull this away, I'm hoping that I've got some sprouts, but there's nothing. Those carrots still have not come up. So I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic off of them. We're supposed to get a lot of rain and some warm temperatures. It's still covered with the hay and the rabbit poop, and I'm hoping maybe they'll still come up. Now, I thought I had lost all the cabbage, but down here in the corner there is a little green cabbage, and I can see some green onion tops, so maybe that's not a fail. Now this is my garlic raised beds. I have the garlic on one side, and then on the other side I went ahead and I put the rest of my mizuna, and I think I also have some arugula over here too. I also planted some spinach seeds the same time I put in the carrots, so fingers crossed we see something. All right, now that I have it open and exposed, I can see some garlic tops, but they're a little brown, but they should be okay. They'll come back out. But what I was really excited about, and if you can see it, I hope you can see it, there is spinach sprouting. I have 2 rows of spinach in here, and I can see the little green sprouts. So we should be seeing spinach here pretty soon. Now this is my kitchen herb garden, and I only have half of it planted. I have some sage in here. It's got some burns to it, some oregano, and then I have 2 rosemaries in here. And down in the center is where my spearmint has taken up almost this entire half of the raised bed. I'm going to be pulling that out here come spring and putting it someplace else. And these are my 10 little chicks. The broody hen has gone back to the big roosters and hens, and my 10 little ones, they like to hang out over here on this side of the yard. And you open the door and they are always right here. But these guys are just too cute. All right, guys, it's going to be the end of this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something. And I'm really excited. It did a lot better than I thought it would. I thought I'd open up and pull back all that plastic and everything would be dead, and it's not. And I'm really, really, really happy about that. I want to thank everyone again for watching my video and supporting me. Thank you all so very much. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.